Ladies and gentlemen, customers are highly interested in purchasing automatic pocket setter units due to the significant savings they provide in the production line, including de-skilling and reducing the number of workers needed while maintaining standard quality output. However, to achieve these savings, it is essential to evaluate various factors, such as the machinery output, running costs, technical features, spare parts availability, and the process of JIG production. Typically, the user of a pocket setter unit is an apparel company with limited workshop facilities for human resources and tools. Thus, it is crucial to have a deep understanding of the JIG theme, as the JIG is the actual fuel of the pocket setter unit. When receiving an order from a buyer, different jigs are required depending on various garment styles and sizes. Nowadays, fashion features stretch fabrics with different percentages of shrinkage, which means that different measurements of pockets must be attached before washing. To have various pocket jigs available on time for production at a low cost and quick turnaround, 3 key points should be kept in mind. Jigs must be made on time, with precise cutting and mounting holes and standard materials available in the market. Jigs must be manufactured at a low cost, which means minimizing labor time and using the fastest possible method. And jigs must be set on the workstation without onboard programming. Moreover, customers need to be able to recognize and find jigs from their inventory, rather than constantly making new jigs. To achieve this, there must be a vision of industrial pocket jig production in-house before purchasing an automatic unit. The ultimate goal of the automatic pocket setter unit is to eliminate the need for expert sewing machine operators and pocket jig makers in the factory. With our Pocket Helper software, all these problems are resolved.